Howdy! How's it going, folks? It's Steve from Patio Benders. Hey, I'm just giving you a quick shout out and a quick look at our beautiful cedar farm style shoe bench we built for a client. We have these for sale on Marketplace. This one was a custom job, but have a look at how it turned out. Look at those grains. And if you could smell the cedar in this room right now, it's just absolutely amazing. So impressed. Really thrilled with this build. Like, have a look, guys. It turned out to be wonderful. Or like my friend Jake would say, wonderbar. So yeah, now this one's a little different than the one that we build here that we have on Marketplace. This is their standard size, which is 47, 19 high, and 18 wide. This one is 21 inches tall, only 13 inches deep, but the same length, 47, okay? So this one here we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and this is a standard model. They all come this size. But again, this one was custom made for a client who has a narrow hallway, but still wanted something different than her wire rack shoe bench that she has. You can't even sit on it. It's just a wire rack. I guess it would be a shoe rack, right? So yeah. I was really surprised. Like, we were looking for something that would be kind of something we could sell in the fall here, possibly a trend, and we've done really well so far with this. We've had a few sales, and I'm actually in the works right now on another sale, so for a shoe rack. Again, we custom build them, so they don't all have to be this size if somebody wants it longer, shorter. And I have another model I'm working on that's going to be cut off the CNC machine. It's going to be more of a shoe rack. So I'm in the midst of building that, and possibly here in the coming weeks I can share that with you guys. So yeah, gotta say, it turned out pretty well. Very pleased. We've got early American stain on the bottom, and then the top is a walnut stain. And I basically took that stain, placed it, then let it dry, then placed another coat on it to get it extra dark. Then I wiped everything off, and that way you could see those nice grains. Like, honestly, who wouldn't want to sit on this bench? That's what I'm talking about, right? That being said, I hope everyone's having a great weekend. Take care, God bless, and we'll catch you again. Ciao for now.